Dear students, in the last class, we have already studied properties of addition, subtraction and multiplication of rational numbers. So today we are going to study properties of division of rational number. Division of rational number. Example 6 divided by 2. In rational number, division is exactly multiplication by the multiplying the inverse of divisor. So what do you mean by this? Let's check with the example. 6 divided by 2. So 6 into 1 by 2. I have just taken the reciprocal of 2, that is 1 by 2. Division by 2 is multiplication of 1 by 2. So 6 into 1 by 2. So 6 divided by 2, that is multiplying by the reciprocal of 2. Now this is not in the standard form, so I have to make in the standard form. As 2 and 6 goes in the common table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6. So answer comes to be 3. Properties of division. The first property, closure property. Example, divide 3 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 3. Now again 3 upon 7. So I have to take now reciprocal of 2 by 3. As division by 2 by 3 is multiplication of 3 by 2. So 3 upon 7 into 3 by 2. So 3 3s are 9, 7 2s are 14. So 9 upon 14. Hence 9 upon 14 is a rational number. If A upon B and C upon D are two rational numbers such that C upon D is not equal to 0, then A upon B divided by C upon D is a rational number. So we got a rational number. Commutative property. Example, find 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2 equals to 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 4. So we will check by LHS and RHS. LHS equals to 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 4 into 2 upon 1 has division of 1 upon 2 is multiplication of its reciprocal, that is 2 upon 1. So 1 into 2, that is 2, 4 into 1, that is 4. So 2 upon 4, is it in the standard form? No. So I have to make it in the standard form. So 2 and 4 goes in the common table of 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So I got answer 1 upon 2. RHS 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 4. Again 1 upon 2 into 4 upon 1 has division of 1 upon 4 is multiplication of its reciprocal, that is 4 upon 1. So 1 into 4, that is 4. 2 into 1 is 2. So again, is it in the standard form? No. Has 2 and 4 goes in the common table of 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So answer comes to be 2. Hence, LHS not equals to RHS. Therefore, 1 upon 2 not equals to 2. If A upon B and C upon D are two rational numbers, then A upon B divided by C upon D not equal to C upon D divided by A upon B. Hence, division of rational numbers is not commutative. Third property, associative property. Example, in the bracket 3 upon 4 divide by 1 upon 2 bracket close divide by 1 upon 8 equals to 3 upon 4 divide by bracket 1 upon 2 divide by 1 upon 8. So let's check with LHS. LHS equals to, in the bracket 3 upon 4 divide by 1 upon 2 divide by 1 upon 8. So 3 upon 4 into 2 upon 1 divide by 1 upon 8. Division of 1 upon 2 is multiplication of 2. So let's multiply 3 into 2, that is 6. 4 into 1, that is 4. So 6 upon 4 divide by 1 upon 8. So 6 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 8. As division of 1 upon 8 is multiplication of 8. So 6 upon 4 into 8. So 6 8s are 48 upon 4. So let's divide it. 4 1s are 4 12s are. So LHS equals to 12. RHS 3 upon 4 divide by in the bracket 1 upon 2 divide by 1 upon 8. 3 upon 4 divide by 1 upon 2 into 8 upon 1. As division of 1 upon 8 is multiplication of 8. So 3 upon 4 divide by 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 4 upon 1. Again, division of 4 is multiplication of 1 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. 3 1s are 3, 4 4s are 16. So 3 upon 16. Hence, LHS is not equal to RHS. If A upon B, C upon D and E upon F are three rational numbers, then in the bracket A upon B divided by C upon D bracket close divide by E upon F not equal to A upon B divided by bracket C upon D divided by E upon F. Hence, division of rational number is not associative. So students, I hope you all have understood properties of division of rational number. So there is a small assignment based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.